Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gavande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to start new chapter number 5, probability of algebra of standard 10. Dear friends, before starting practice set or examples, let's see some basic concept or basic terms related to probability. What does it mean? Probability means what? Now here are some words, similar words for probability we use in daily life. Probable, these all are similar words. Probable means probability, word is formed from probable. Maybe means there is a chance, maybe or may not be means surely we cannot say. Impossible, sure means guarantee, surety. Nearly, 50-50. These are some words, similar words related to probability. Now some examples. Most probably the rain will start from today. Most probably means there is chance, maybe or may not be. Not surely we cannot say. There is no certainty, there is no guarantee. Okay? The inflammation is likely to rise. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in next match. It is impossible. I will surely get first class. Surely means here such words will be used in the example or in the statement, and they represent the probability or possibility or chance or certainty, uncertainty, whatever. In short, probability means chance or possibility. Dear friends, now some basic terms are used when we solve examples based on probability. First term that is used is random experiment. Now experiment, this word we use always in science. We do experiment in the science, and here is also one random experiment. But there is difference between scientific experiment and random experiment. If we do any scientific experiment, for example, carbon plus oxygen, 100% we can say that carbon dioxide will form. 100% surety, certainty, there is guaranteed we can say that if we combine carbon and oxygen, we get carbon dioxide. No other product will form there. That is scientific experiment, means there is certainty. But in random experiment, there is no certainty. There is no guarantee. Random experiment is the experiment in which already all possible results we know in advance. All possible results which are possible, what is possibility, that we know in advance, but none of them can be predicted with a certainty. Means what must be there, what 100, like I told you, carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide fixed. But in random experiment that certainty is not there. We cannot say 100% that will form. That is random experiment, and whatever possible results are there, there is equal possibility for each result, equal possibility. Now for example, tossing a coin. If a coin is given to you and we have to toss, see, we have to toss. Now we know what is the possibility, we know what will be the result, we know possibilities, but surety, certainty, guaranteed we cannot say. If we toss a coin, then either head will come up or tail will come up. means head or tail. These are two possibilities, head or tail. But surely we cannot say that what will turn up, which top will turn up, head or tail. Out of two, one will be there, but which, with certainty we cannot say, and that's why this is random experiment. Now if we want to write in the form tossing a coin, we can write as head, H for head, comma, T for tail, and we have to write this in bracket, curly bracket. This is the way to represent the experiment. Okay, in curly bracket, head or tail, H or T. Now here are two possibilities, but there is no certainty. Result we know, what is possibility we know, but there is no certainty. That's why this is random experiment. One more example, throwing a die. Die we know, we play. Cube, square shape, cube shape. And on that, how many faces are there? 6. Die has 6 faces, and dots are drawn on that. Dots are put, 1 on one face, 2 on second face, 3 on third face, 4, 5, 6. In this way, respectively, on each face, numbers or dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that there are 6 possibilities. Either one dot will come up, or 2 dots, face with 2 dots, face with 3 dots, face with 4 dots, face with 5 dots, face with 6 dots. These all are possibilities we know, but which face will come up we cannot say surely. That's why this is random experiment. And if you want to write, we want to represent in curly bracket, we have to write, and die means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bracket close. 6 possibilities. There are 6 possibilities, but no certainty about the result. Picking a card from a set of cards. There are 52 cards in a set. 52. When we shuffle all cards, then we know that out of 52, one card we will take out. Out of 52, one. That is all possibilities. But which card will be taken out, we cannot say, and that's why there is uncertainty. This is random experiment. And if you want to write in, then there are 52 cards, 1, 2, 3, and so on. We can write here 52 bracket close. This is the way to represent the random experiment. Dear friends, let's start practice set 5.1. First question of practice set 5.1 is, how many possibilities are there? We have to write only possibilities. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? First example, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Now one list is given. And what is the possibility? Then let's see how many names are there in the list. Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wild Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anandvan. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many possibilities are there? 8 possibilities. She is planning to visit one of them. Means possibilities are 8. Possibilities are 8. But out of 8, she is planning to visit one of them. Then which one? Don't know. That's why there is not certainty. There is no surety. That's why there are 8 possibilities, but result we don't know. That's why this is random experiment. Then answer is very easy. How many possibilities? There are 8 possibilities. That much we have to write. Example number 2 is very easy. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Any day of a week. Means in a week, how many days are there? There are 7 days. Then possibilities, all days are possible. There is possibility of all days, but one day of a week. Which day? that is not known. There is no certainty about this. Therefore, any day of a week, then how many days are in a week? 7 days. Therefore, here possibility is of 7 days. There are 7 possibilities. There are 7 possibilities because there are 7 days in a week. Third example, select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Now, if the pack of cards is shuffled and one card we have to draw from that one card, then how many possibilities are there? 52 possibilities. Out of 52, any one of the card we will pick out. That's why we cannot say with guarantee or 100% that we will pick out that card only. There are 52 possibilities. Therefore, here answer is there are 52 possibilities. Example number 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Now some cards are taken and on these cards numbers are written from 10 to 20. From 11 to 20, 10 cards. 11 to 20, 10 cards. 10 is also, number 10 is also included in that. That's why one extra card is there of 10. Means 10 to 20 there will be 11 cards. Means there are 11 possibilities. And out of 11 cards, select one card randomly. But we want only possibilities. And how many possibilities are there? Possibilities are 11. Therefore, answer is there are 11 possibilities.